Got engine troubles?
Don't let a blown engine blow your mind. These bad boys got you up all night.
So let's talk about it. To learn more about blown engines and cars with engine issues, be sure to visit carbrain.com or click that link in the description. Carbrain buys cars with blown engines. Let Carbrain take that blown engine off your hands. Dude, what are you doing?
Didn't you say blowing engines?
No, man, I said blown engines.
But what is a blown engine?
Imagine your car engine's like the heart of your car. It's what makes everything go. But sometimes that heart can get really sick. A blown engine's like a major heart attack for your car. It means something inside your engine has broken badly. It can't work properly anymore. This happens for a few reasons, but the result's the same. You think you have a blown engine, but how can you confirm this?
Your car will lose a lot of power. It might feel sluggish or struggle to go uphill. Sometimes you might even see smoke coming out of the engine bay. This is a big warning sign.
It might make some strange noises like banging or knocking, things you wouldn't normally hear in your car.
This is what a healthy engine typically sounds like. Nice and smooth, baby. But if your engine is blown, it might sound more like this.
But if you can hear that loud knocking is a big warning sign. That means something is seriously wrong with your engine. If your engine is blown, it's going to make a rattling sound like metal parts banging together. Sometimes you'll hear hissing or popping noises.
But why did the engine blow?
One reason could be lack of oil or overheating without proper lubrication. Or if the engine gets too hot, components could seize or warp, leading to major damage.
So using cheap or incompatible parts can lead to premature wear and tear, increasing the risk of a blown engine. Another reason could just be ignoring the warning signs.
If you neglect to address minor engine issues like leaks or overheating, they can snowball into a bigger problem.
But can you fix a blown engine?
It's complicated and can be very expensive. Fixing a blown engine means repairing or replacing parts inside the engine bay.
This could include things like pistons, rods, or even the entire engine block.
Sometimes it's cheaper to replace the whole engine or sell it and buy a new car, depending on the extent of the damage. If you decide not to replace your engine and sell your car, Carbrain can help. We buy cars in all conditions, including those with blown engines. We offer a hassle-free process with free towing. Get an instant offer for your car today and see if it's the right option for you.
Thank you for thinking Carbrain. Subscribe to our Carbrain YouTube channel to stay up to date on more car videos. And remember, we buy it all.